dignitaries on the dais, invited guests, my dear sisters, management committee members, doctors, and staff. Good afternoon, Reddy. Through this comprehensive breast clinic, we aim to provide a full spectrum of services to all women of all age groups in the prevention, early diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitative care for breast-related health conditions. As I stand before you today, I recall with gratitude the humble beginnings of the Bandra Holy Family Hospital, which started. The Bandra Holy Family Hospital has evolved from a modest nursing home to a 268-bedded multi-speciality hospital, research and academic center with NABH, ISO and DNB accreditations. As we continue our healthcare mission, we evolve to respond to the needs of the community with a special care. But the good news is that early detection and timely treatment has 100% cure rate for this dreaded disease. Through this comprehensive breast clinic, Holy Family Hospital Bandra,
our breast clinic brochure. I now call upon our chief guest, the esteemed Samira Reddy, to say a few words on her comprehension and perception of empowering women, encouraging them for regular annual checks that would help in early detection of cancer.
So much, so eloquent. I wish I could hear you speak about me every day. Anyways, first of all, thank you for having me here. A big thank you especially to my mother for calling me every day in Goa, not to check on how I am, but to make sure I am here for Holy Family Hospital on the 8th of October at 2:15. My mother has not reminded me this much of anything in my life. I'll tell you why. I grew up in Chand Terraces. It's opposite Holy Family Hospital. Now I know Holy Family Hospital in a very different way, better than Dr. Dale also. I can guarantee you that. As a little girl, I spent hours. I remember when I was 5 years old, just staring through the window, looking down, and it's unbelievable. But I have seen this hospital come from this little building here and move into this massive second part of a building and turn into this unbelievably powerful and the most helpful, I would say, hospital without the feeling of disparity. Everybody is welcome, and I think that's what I really love about Holy Family Hospital. So growing up, I feel I've integrally been a part of it. So to come here, I'm 45, 40 years later as a chief guest, for me is an honor. So thank you so much. Also, I think that I was introduced with much pizzazz, but I would have to say I am amongst very esteemed doctors who I would say definitely need more accolades than me, because you're the ones working every day to better what you do, to improve healthcare and to make sure that people get what they want. So kudos to you. Thank you for being here. And also thank you for all the staff that is here. I see you all there. The nurses, the staff, you all do a great job. So I would say more than me, I'm going to say thank you to you. And I think that what I've understood is not about Breast Cancer Awareness Month. It's honestly, I think women in general, over the years, are told that we need to care for everybody else and then us. Okay, even my own mother used to tell me very sweetly, I feed Reddy Garu at 6 in the morning, I give him idlis and chai. And I make sure I feed my children first. But in all of that, I've noticed in the older generation is that women were told that taking care of everybody else first, especially the men around. I mean, we adore you, but you know what I mean. We put ourselves second, and that catches up later. And so it is, of course, breast cancer awareness is one thing. In general, overall health awareness is for a woman to first say, to do and be the nurturer, and this woman that I am, I need to take care of myself first. I need to eat well. I need to be careful of my nutrition. I need to sleep well. I need to say I need help. I need to do my checkups on time. I need to go and do a breast checkup to make sure that I don't have breast cancer. So when I talk about empowering women, it's just not for social media where I say, come on everybody, feel good about yourselves, because life is so great. No, life is tough. And all of us are constantly fighting every day to get somewhere in our lives. In all of that, it's my humble request to the men also, take a little time for mental health awareness, physical health, and women, definitely do your checkups, because today we're here for breast cancer. And all you people out there, even the staff, have you all done your checkups? How many? Come on, let's see the hands up. So this is my request to all the doctors here. Let's start at home. Let's start at home and let's make an example of how our own force is taking care of themselves, and then the news spreads and then everybody ends up doing the same. So thank you for having me here. It's really been it's been a wonderful experience, and congratulations. I think Holy Family Hospital has just grown, as I see, from a 5-year-old to today to a big nice hospital. And not only that, improving healthcare, as doctor said, putting everything under one roof. And I wish you all the best. And I think this is going to be unbelievable. And I mean all the best. And I see lots more coming. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sameera. We are now fortunate to have two cancer survivors among us, relaying their story, their experience on how they have overcome the disease. And now, we have the vote of thanks delivered by Dr. Rajiv Bodhankar sir, our medical director, who besides being a renowned professional, is also an excellent human being.
Good afternoon, everybody. Before I formally propose a vote of
समीरा मैम, सबसे पहले तो ये इनिशिएटिव के बारे में क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे आप?
So I would say कि breast cancer awareness month is only the month of October, but I feel awareness has to be 365 days a year. All women need to get a simple breast examination checkup, and of course a mammography is very important. If you catch it at the early stages, then I feel early detection is one of the best things you can do, but for that you have to be aware.
मैम, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में भी कुछ एक्ट्रेस है जो ब्रेस्ट कैंसर से सर्वाइव कर चुके हैं, और अभी रिसेंटली हिना खान, शी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम देयर. व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट?
First of all, Hina Khan has been so brave, she's been so honest, and she's been so open about her journey. I feel कि social media is that kind of a platform that if people come out and actually speak about their struggles, then so many women will be aware so many women will go out there and get themselves checked, and those who are struggling will say, look, there are other people like me, this is normal. जब हम normalize करेंगे ना, then women will come out and ask for help. Then they will say, okay, we are not alone. I think that's very important.
मैम वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन, जब आपने अपना करियर स्टार्ट किया था तभी आपको इंडस्ट्री से प्रेशर आया था कि ब्रेस्ट एनहांसमेंट आपको करवाना चाहिए.
I have
Do you-
nothing
do you
against
think it
breast
is-
and
it is safe or
enhancements.
not? Do you
I
think that-
cannot say anything about that. I have nothing against it, but in a way, I'm very grateful to God that I did not fall into that doubt कि I had to do it. That's my personal opinion. लेकिन जिसको करना है उनको करने दो. वो लोग खुश है तो खुश होने दो. Yeah. I have to go. I have a flight. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.